right, JD, you're gonna take us through what we got here.
So, it says the Launcher 200 on the bus.
The Launcher?
But look, it says the Launcher 200 on the ramp. Is it Launcher or the Launcher?
Should we mail it back, JD?
Even on the truck, Launcher 200.
Wait, who ripped the user manual? Manual?
Tradition. I'm unhappy. I'm unsatisfied.
We're missing a U.
I want my money back.
All right, we'll first pick it up. Let's see what this is. Show the people what we're dealing with here.
We got a super duper technology launch ramp here.
My
It's
God.
got metal hinges. It's got some QR codes there for your scanning needs. I like the colorway though. Got a little bit of red, some black, and then we got different textures here. As you can see, it's actually launcher. It's not launcher.
It's kind of a nice maroon color.
Maroon.
Chris, I think this thing is breaking very fast.
You think so? We
I
open
do.
it up, it's already broken right here. There's already a damage
Whoa.
report.
Rick, do you want to register?
I have a prediction. Yeah, should we register for the
Yeah, we
insurance?
should,
Should we buy
probably.
the insurance?
Yeah, probably.
I feel like on this slippery ground, it's just gonna slide.
Possible.
Does that mean sports jump? Should we skate it? Let's do it. All right, we'll just sit right here and see if the boys want to skate it. It's a sports jump. Some people think skateboarding is not a sport, but I don't know.
Oh!
The review is that it's good. It didn't break first try.
What would you give it out of 10 stars right now?
Just looking at it, I'm gonna give it, for what it is, 8 for now. We're gonna skate it a little further and then I will give you more of a review.
Oh! Why are you such a hater, Rick?
I called it. I just wanted to test. Should we put it at the start line? So then we can measure if it moves. I was trying to do a rock to fakie.
I don't know about this. I think we should add some more grip to the bottom.
Uh-oh. Rick says no good.
Deck check.
Whoa! What is happening?
I think we need a parking block. Well, that'll allow us to tap into its full capabilities.
I think we should just not skate it on flat anymore and just go
Think so?
super weird with it.
All right, let me try one more nollie flip.
I'll give you one chance, Chris.
Okay.
Just one.
I'll take it. It's a hard trick off a little kicker like this. But I think when they ship these out, they should just include a parking block because it's way better now.
Oh no! No, wait, Rick, just stop. Just don't skate this till the next obstacle.
Why?
Because when you don't get the kickflip on this, you get anger.
But nah, I won't get angry.
It's hard. Oh, watch out, Rick.
Oh, body! I want to see something crazy with this.
Like what? Like a nollie flip?
No! Oh!
That was for the love.
I'm so glad I wasn't standing there.
Right?
Who done it?
Rick, did you register it?
Oh, the insurance is gonna cover the damage, Gabe. Don't worry. Oh! Keeping them alive, Gabriel Cruz?
What review would you give this ramp so far?
Pretty low, to be honest.
Really?
Yeah, because it's too short. I'm rating it harshly. But one, I don't think it's designed for skateboarding, so I can't be too harsh.
JD, I have an idea.
Yeah, I'm down.
I'm thinking of some day one stuff though, some like ollie fakey newsman or something.
Oh my gosh, Rick.
The insurance doesn't cover foot plants.
You know
Come
what
on.
I just thought? Look at this. Think about this. Think about this. Let me give you my science here real quick, Rick. So you go like this. It's a rock to fakie, right? When you ollie up here, technically you're doing a rock to fakie there. Above coping rock to fakie. This is basically vert. No. Whoa!
Launch up.
When it comes to dating, we really need to
Whoa! Wow, he's a vert skater. Oh! We caught him in 4K. He left his acai lid right here. Oh!
Crushed it.
Whoa. Whoa there, brother.
Almost Yoshi down. He's right there. Did I do that?
Chris! You must feel glorious after that.
That feels great. We're unlocking the DLC.
Oh!
Trying to go 5-0 and then pop in fakie, but obviously it ain't working out too good.
Body! Oh, no!
Lucky to be alive, Gabriel.
You're lucky to be alive. I'm glad I moved.
I wanted to slide next to you, Gabriel.
Oh! Having a rough time on this ramp, brother.
Yeah, it's because I don't have the load. Maybe I'll just nose go in.
What would you rate this ramp out of 10 stars so far?
10 stars. 5.
Wow.
It's not as good as the mountain bike one that we got.
Ooh. He gave it a 5.
I'll give it a 0.1, not even a 2. It doesn't matter. I don't even like it.
0.1?
It's not enjoyable for me.
This ramp is $120.
Not worth it.
$120. But it is on sale right now on Amazon. But
I still wouldn't buy it.
8. I'd rate it 7 out of 10. But
No.
marketed for skateboard, I rate it 3 out of 10.
Even with the price, knowing the price, it stands there. It's 0.1.
Let's go, boy! How's it kicking? Still good?
You know what this ramp is good for? Is if you're skating in the street and there's a curb and you want to quickly get up the curb.
Oh!
See, look at these haters. Low stars. That was pretty sick. If it said bike jump, that was sick.
Yeah.
Good product.
Troy, hit the jump, Troy.
Body
Send the
myself.
jump, full throttle, Troy. Yeah! Oh!
This is amazing.
Oh! Whoa! I think this ramp is sick.
I feel like that bike was built for you. Yeah, I think it is
100%.
sick.
That's pretty scary. 5.5 stars. If it moves, you can't really skate it.
But it's not the ramp's fault, it's moving.
It's definitely the ramp's fault.
It's 2 things, a ramp and a backpack. So I feel like we need to use the backpack.
It's a bad ramp.
Oh my! Wow, that looks pretty solid to me.
Let's get a post-game interview with Chris. Did the ramp move?
Oh no, that looks pretty
I felt
solid
pretty good.
to me.
It's not even just for skating. Maybe for skating in the Braille house, it's like a 5.5. Anything else, I'd say like 7.5. It looks cool. It works. My only complaint is like there's not enough space to like pop for skating.
Send it, Mo! Wait, Rick, what the? Rick!
Nose pick.
Why did you just launch that like 10 feet?
I love it.
Uzi's somewhere proud of you right now. How long do you think until we break this thing?
I give it a solid 1 week or 2.
I give it a solid.
Here, I'm gonna let JD have as much fun as possible.
I give it a solid hour and a half. Right under the camera, huh, Rick? JD comes to film with us, I realize that he's just having more and more of the best childhood ever.
Dude, he should. He's on the Braille team.
Look at that many.
I love this.
So you would still
was
give it
mad.
only a 0.1 star?
Yeah. Well,
Even after you hit that gnarly jump?
You gotta really think about it. Like, all right, why are you surprised that I'm giving it a low rating?
Because it's actually pretty decent.
But you gotta think about it from like my perspective and my experiences with like skateboarding. Like if it was a bike ramp, like yeah, that's fun. I would love this because like it's not like Napoleon Dynamite when he's just gonna break into it and just fall. This is skateboarding and like the ramp is literally, it's as long as the wheels and it has no time to actually set up and pop perfectly. So that's why it's not good.
If it was advertised as bike ramp, I would rate it higher. But if it says skateboard ramp, I rate
It
it
says
lower.
skateboard, bike, everything ramp.
Yeah, but it says skateboard first.
What? I'm a BMXer first.
Jump it then.
I think you should just rate your nollie flips lower.
Yeah, let me get one more try.
All right, Mowgli, the instructions. Oh, okay. I was not gonna do what that was looking like. Wait, where was this piece? Oh!
That looks comfy.
Look, ready for maths class. All right, Sam Musker.
You're protected from the back.
Don't fall back.
How many
What do you
tricks?
think, JD? It looks pretty good.
Do a challenge. How many tricks until Rick gets a concussion?
Knocked out, yeah.
Yeah, just lay down.
I think the design flaws lower. Oh!
Now you can just take a nice nap.
Yeah! I feel like I'm going on a hike. I mean, to be fair though, like I could go somewhere with this like this, like pretty good.
I need a lift.
I got a really expensive camera. He almost got you. Not safe at all, right? That's what I'm saying. Oh! Got him! What'd you call me?
Hawkeye Cruise.
Watch out, JD!
Oh, he almost took out Glow.
Oh!
Oh! Nice work. We eating kangaroo tonight.
Target acquired. Hey, that ramp though, 10 out of 10 stars. That is the money, right? Right, Mo?
If anything, Ricky's reminding me of Bowser from Mario Kart.
In terms of skating is like a solid like 4 or 5 out of 10, but for a shield or becoming Bowser, 10 out of 10. For target practice, 15 out of 10.
Okay.
Hit him, JD. Oh! Dang. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave those comments below. And we want you to learn how to skateboard. We have everything you need with a Braille Army Plus membership. We'll see you in the next video.